This is a royally f***ed up egg sandwich. It's time to unf*** it. I'm Brendan Collins, this is 𝗙𝗢𝗟𝗦𝗢𝗙 Kitchen, and this is how not to f*** up an egg salad sandwich. All right, let's see what nightmare we've got now.
My days, you need to make this healthy egg sandwich.
Oh, a fellow countrywoman, please don't embarrass me. It's not like we're known for our cooking in England. We're not like the bloody French, are we?
And then whack it into a hot pan.
Oh yeah, you've just embarrassed me. Why put them back into a pan and put an absorbent amount of pepper on it?
And it grinds it for you.
She's more interested in the pepper grinder than she is the cooking. What is that? What are you, a f***ing garden snake? You're going to unhinge your jaw to get it in. Egg salad sandwich. Where's the salad? Let's get to it and show you how to not f*** up an egg salad sandwich. From my deductions, and I'm no Sherlock Holmes, but I have a feeling that she has seen a version of this sandwich from Japan called an egg sando. And what they do is they make a egg salad and then they put not whole eggs, but half eggs through the middle of the sandwich. So when you cut it, you see eggs. So I'm gonna teach you guys how to make that. What we're gonna start off with is hard-boiled eggs. And we're just gonna chop these real simple. I like to put a little celery, a little onion, a little chive, and a little parsley. Any type of mayonnaise you want. Actually, a mayonnaise that I also would recommend is Kewpie mayonnaise, which is from Japan. It's a type of Japanese mayonnaise, and it's a little bit sweeter. Nice spoonful of that, not too much, but you know, you want it to be nice and moist. And then I like to add just a little bit of Dijon mustard, cayenne pepper, to give it that kind of deviled egg effect, and a little salt. Be careful when you're adding salt to mayonnaise, because mayonnaise has a natural saltiness to it. Always remember, you can add more, but you can't take it away. And that is the perfect consistency. And by the way, this is an egg salad with the salad. So then we're gonna just get some nice store-bought white sliced bread. If you can find it, try and find either a milk bread or a brioche. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna add this salad. This salad is, the eggs are cooked for 10 minutes. So hard boiled for 10 minutes. So they're fully cooked all the way through. And then the ones that we put through the middle, we actually only cook for 7.5 minutes because we want them to be a little bit gooey and moist. And that is where we've got these ones. So we're gonna cut these in half. Always look for the yolk. If you see this, you're gonna look for where the yolk sits because you wanna cut it clean in half. I'm gonna put that there, put that there, the other slice of bread. And in the Japanese style, they cut the crust off. So my grandma always used to tell me that eating the crust made your hair curly. So if you don't want to cut the crusts off, be my guest, don't cut them off. But the Japanese do. And then what you want to do is cut it clean down the middle, like this. And that is a Japanese egg sando. Now here is an unfucked egg salad sandwich. On to the next one.